Artificial intelligence is one of the rapidly growing technologies and is becoming the central part of most digital world, advertising and marketing industries. AI is now considered the game changer of digital marketing with its technological advancements over the past few years. Many businesses are now integrating and utilizing the power of AI in digital marketing to get more opportunities for their companies. The trends will continue to grow in the future with the constant evolution and development of technologies. Amidst heavy competition, most companies are now focusing on predicting trends, moving faster and lowering their costs using AI digital marketing technologies. Using the power of AI in digital marketing will significantly impact digital marketing campaigns while enabling companies to achieve long-lasting results. How AI helps transform the future of digital marketing. The following are few ways that show the impact of AI in digital marketing and how the technology helps transform the future of digital marketing. Increased focus on consumer behavior. AI in digital marketing provides companies with data-driven insights and approaches while integrating data from different platforms and enable them to make informed decisions. Platforms powered by AI now collect and store all kinds of analytics these days to analyze customer patterns and develop automated systems or customer profiles to target markets. Marketers can now analyze customers' profile or behavior more closely and record consumer ideas, preferences and previous searches. Semantic searching. Semantic searching is the capacity of machines to understand the user searches and offer them a set of customized results. For example, AI in digital marketing understand the contextual meaning of a few search phrases and patterns and incorporate the user's search history on the results page. Semantic searching refers to understanding why a person searches for something than just showing what they are looking for. Insight integration. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool to gather datasets and integrate them from various types of other collection tools or software. As a result, AI digital marketing technologies are more effective in targeting and customizing digital marketing campaigns based on customer behavior patterns. AI in digital marketing uses meta-analysis to analyze datasets in complex ways while allowing for automation in more innovative ways. Creating and curating content. In digital marketing, AI helps marketers choose the most relevant content, and personalizes content for each user based on their unique tastes. One of the best examples for this is showcasing similar products to the users based on their search activities. The AI, digital marketing technologies provide businesses with the ability to write dynamic emails tailored according to the subscriber's preferences. Lead generation. AI in digital marketing can go through piles of data and find ideal clients or customers based on the information gathered. It can also make predictions on lead generation for B2B companies, which saves a lot of time for marketers. Artificial intelligence provides marketers with insights into where each lead is on their customer journey, allowing them to spend more time formulating sales calls and pitches. Application of AI chatbots. Chatbots are automated tools powered by AI and are responsible for customer interactions and are used mainly by companies to enhance their customer experience. For example, most companies use chatbots to fulfill orders and answer basic customer questions to replace traditional customer service. Chatbots helps marketers deliver AI-based customer service to their clients, and brands can deliver localized service to their customers using AI digital marketing technologies. Voice search and speech recognition. Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology with a great capacity to handle various types of searches, including voice recognition, and can integrate several methods to provide customized results. Personal speech assistants such as Siri, Alexa and Google are becoming more popular and can have conversations. In addition, the low error rates of these speech recognition assistants can enable them to promote products relevant to the user's enquiry. Personalization and automation. Automation is undoubtedly one of the most practical applications of AI in digital marketing. With many trials and errors in the current marketing landscape, AI and machine learning are used to comprehend data to get an advanced understanding of the market. Companies can apply personalization to provide targeted ads to users based on their previous activities. In addition, the advances in automation help both B2B and B2C companies optimize their digital marketing campaigns. Any behavioral information of the users and customers will become the source of AI to analyze potential customers' needs and allow marketers to use a customer-centric approach to maximize customer satisfaction through their digital marketing strategies. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is becoming a more valuable tool for digital marketing and more accessible for businesses. AI can now enable marketers to largely influence the choice of their customers with relevant recommendations and timely customer service. Therefore, AI digital marketing technologies will enable companies to grow their brand and effortlessly meet customers' expectations. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.